Alright, this tire is jammed onto the rotor. They're corroded together and the inside of the hub. I took my screwdriver and cleaned out all this aluminum corrosion that was in here. It was just packed in there. I always sprayed it down with PB Blaster in the lugs so it seeps down in there, all around here, through the back of the rotor so it kind of creeps down, and we're ready to give it a try. This is an extreme case. They're almost never like this. Usually I could just pop them off using this method without using the PB Blaster or anything. I'm trying to set this up. I'm having trouble. There we go. So this is how I get these tires off that are jammed on like this. You're gonna want some sort of crowbar or bar. I got a crowbar. I've got a really long one. My dad's borrowing it right now. So we're gonna get on, use the hooked angle of the crowbar and get on the rotor. And then this flat part is on the rim. And it's all about the pop. Like I said, this is an extreme case and I'd have more leverage with my bigger crowbar. We're kind of popping it right on that lip of the rotor, not the friction surface. And you give it a good pop. There we go. There she goes with my little crowbar, not my big crowbar. Big crowbar would have did it probably first try. So we're not damaging anything. You can put a rag or something if you're worried about your rim, but I don't even have a scratch on the rim the way I was doing it. It's all about just a quick motion, a pop. And that's how you get them off. I've seen people struggle with them, and I show them that trick, and they're like, oh man, you made it look so easy. That's what I do. So you get them off, guys.